My name is Anna. I am 19 years old. Today, I will tell you a story about my mom. This story happened recently. It changed my life forever. A few months ago, I met some new friends. They were fun and confident. They always had something exciting to do. I liked being with them. They made me feel important, but I knew something was wrong. These girls were not good people. They stole small things from shops. They made fun of others. I told myself I would not do those things. I just wanted to be their friend. One evening, my mom saw me with them. She did not say much at first. Later that night, she sat me down. She said, Anna, I'm worried about your friends. They do not seem like good people. I told her, Mom, you do not understand. They are not bad. She looked at me and said, Anna, be careful. A good name is hard to earn, but easy to lose. I did not listen to her. I thought she was overreacting. I kept spending time with the girls. They told me secrets and made me laugh. I thought they were my best friends. One day, they asked me to go with them to a small store near our neighborhood. They said they just wanted to look around. When we got there, I saw one of them take a bracelet. She put it in her bag. Another girl took a lipstick and hid it in her pocket. They laughed and told me to take something too. I did not want to look weak, so I picked up a cheap keychain. I hid it in my bag. As we were leaving, the store owner stopped us. He had seen us on the security camera. My heart started racing. The owner called the neighbors for help. Soon, a small crowd gathered outside the store. People were whispering and pointing at us. I felt ashamed and scared. Someone in the crowd recognized me. They said, Isn't that Anna? She is such a nice girl. What is she doing with them? Hearing those words broke my heart. I realized how much I had disappointed everyone, especially my mom. I wished I could disappear. I wanted to cry but held back my tears. The store owner called my mom. My mom arrived a few minutes later. When she saw me, her face showed pain and disappointment. She did not say a word. She just looked at me. That hurt more than anything. The owner decided not to press charges. He said it was the first time something like this had happened. He gave us a warning and let us go. On the way home, Mom was silent. I wanted to say something, but I did not know what to say. When we got home, she finally spoke. She said, Anna, I warned you about those girls. Why didn't you listen to me? Tears started falling from my eyes. I said, I am sorry, Mom. I made a mistake. I did not mean to hurt you. She sat next to me and held my hand. She said, Anna, everyone makes mistakes. What matters is what you learn from them. I love you. I will always be here for you. But you need to understand that your actions have consequences. Trust is hard to rebuild once it is broken. Her words stayed in my mind. I realized how much I had hurt her. I promised her I would change. I said sorry again and again. She hugged me tightly. She said, Anna, you are my daughter. I will always forgive you, but I want you to be the best version of yourself. You are better than this. The next day, I sent them a message. I told them I could not be friends with them anymore. They laughed at me and called me names, but I did not care. I knew I was making the right choice. I felt free. I did not have to lie to my mom anymore. I started spending more time at home. My mother and I talked a lot. She shared stories from her life. She told me about her own mistakes. She said, Anna, I made bad choices too, but I learned from them, and you will too. I also focused on my studies. My mother was proud of me. She said, Anna, I see you trying. That means so much to me. One day, I decided to do something more. I wanted to show my mom how much she meant to me. I started cooking dinner for her every evening. I learned her favorite dishes and surprised her with small treats. One day, as we sat together after dinner, I made a promise to her. I said, Mom, from now on, I will do whatever you say. I will listen to your advice because I know you only want the best for me. She smiled and said, Anna, I do not want you to follow me blindly. I want you to think carefully and make the right choices. But I'm glad you trust me. I love you, my dear daughter. My mother's forgiveness taught me the value of honesty. My mother has always been there to wipe my tears. She is there to hold my hand when I feel lost. Her love is unconditional. She forgives without hesitation. She gives without expecting anything in return. That is the beauty of a mother's love.